President of Mondiacult 2022, Assistant Director General for Culture of UNESCO, my colleagues, ministers of culture of all over the world, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. President, on behalf of the government of Aruba, I congratulate Mexico for organizing and hosting this important event. The eyes of the world are on culture, and rightfully so, since culture has the power to determine the development of humanity. Culture is, amongst others, the manifestation of ideas, human intellectual and creative achievement, social behavior, and customs that are widely influenced by education in all forms and catalyzed by technology and world scientific advances. The recent global events like the COVID-19 pandemic, natural disasters, and geopolitical conflicts have shown communities all over the world the urgency in building resilience and putting serious effort in ambitions regarding sustainable development. Aruba is a small island developing state, SIDS, or a large ocean state, depending on your conceptual view. The vulnerabilities in both cases are generally known. In Aruba, we have chosen to embrace our challenges and to focus on the advantages that culture can provide. I hereby give some examples. Concrete measures are being taken to bring culture education in the formal and non-formal education as well as in the society as a whole, through research aimed at providing insight into the needs of artists and creatives. We try to use effective and meaningful instruments to support the creative sector. The preservation of documentary heritage has seen a huge leap in the past 2 years. Documentary heritage that is accessible to a wide audience contributes to social discussion about the past in relation to the future and can be a source of inspiration for creative expression. We should make continuous efforts to show the importance of a balanced society where culture is sustained as a means of education and of sustainable development in our way of doing business and the way we live. Thus, the time is always right to educate, persevere, and stimulate a forward-looking approach in which culture enables innovation, behavioral change, and economic growth. Mr. President, I thank UNESCO for this opportunity and reiterate our commitment in Aruba to put culture at the heart of sustainable development. Masha danki. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Muchas gracias.